Om Shri Matre Namaha. Gupta Navaratri starts in one day. What is Gupta Navaratri? Gupta Navaratri considered as the most auspicious time for Varahi Sadhana. Why this is Guptam means we have to follow the rituals in secret. Sacred work or sacred sadhana to be secret must get from Guru Upadesham. This sadhana, traditional way of approach associated with Varahi sadhana. Gupta means basically hidden. Also remember that this is most traditional manifestation of Ma Varahi. Ma Varahi is how connected with the Sri Vidya. Lalita Tripura Sundari's Sri Vidya Sadhana. Varahi Sadhana also connected to Sri Vidya as Varahi is Commander-in-Chief of Sri Lalita Tripura Sundari. The divine army also Varahi got on divine army to protect it, diffuse